Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is stock split. Now, people get pretty excited about stock splits. Generally, they're meaningless, but to the community at large, the public, they tend to care about stock splits. It's the equivalent of going up and ordering a pizza that's large and saying, I can't eat 16 pieces, but could you cut it into 8? Now, a stock split is like this. You have one share and they do a 2-for-1 split. Now, for every one share, you get 2 shares. Someone famous who's never split his stock is Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. It's around $330,000 a share for a Class A share, which means if you want to buy one share of stock, it's going to cost you more than $330,000. Buffett had to get special permission from the New York Stock Exchange to allow him not to split that stock and to allow it to go up that high. But presently, Amazon, Google, and many other companies have really high stock prices, thousands of dollars per share. They do this because they want to attract the right kind of investor. Stock splits happen all the time. They're generally on a 2-for-1, 3-for-1 basis. Recently, Tesla did a 5-for-1 stock split. Stock splits effectively issue more shares and give people an opportunity to buy them at less a price. They're usually meaningless, but psychologically, the companies are doing well, so they want to reward the shareholders with a chance to buy more. Today's word is stock split. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.